Got your dust collector going, green light on indicating everything is fine, and then the dustbin fills up, and there you go. Hi there folks, welcome back to the Hubbard's Handmade Shop. I'm Ryan Hubbard. I have been up to a lot of things, but not making a lot of videos, and so I just wanted to drop in a quick video about a sensor that I've been using, the dustbin indicator for when it's full, but I didn't want to spend, it's like $160 or $170 now. And so the actual parts for that are really easy to come by and relatively inexpensive. This is the sensor that I'm going to be using, and I will put all of this in the description, but it is a QS18VN6D, and you can buy these on Amazon, you can buy them on eBay. My mounting plate is mostly done. As you can see, I've already drilled the hole for the green light and tightened that down in the back. And then I'm going to put this plate down so I can mount my strobe light. I have to do it like this so I can still use my backing plate on the dust collector. So like I already said, I have most of this all wired up, and I just have my positive and negative from my red strobe light. The black wire from the sensor is going to go to the black from my strobe light, and then I just have all of my positives together. So the brown wire is positive, the positive wire that's going to the green, positive to the power supply, and the positive to the red strobe light. I have everything all wired up, and I'm going to test it. Just ignore how ugly this is. You can make it as pretty as you want, but I've got my power supply, so let's plug this in. Okay, it's kind of hard to tell, so let me turn that over. Yep, you can see the green light is on, and then we've got our sensor here, and so when I get that close enough, the red strobe light will come on. So a little bit farther away, green light comes back on, closer to red strobe light. And this is adjustable with the screw that is on the sensor here. So adjust this to however far or close that you want it to be so that you have enough room for your dust collector to work but not give you the red strobe light all the time. So I'm going to finish mounting this up. It seems to be working correctly, and we'll be good to go. So I had to drill this hole. Just start with a small hole and then use a step bit to get it as big as you need to. And I've got my sensor all fed down the back of this, and then just put the sensor down through there and have our little capture ring here. So I'm going to get this screwed in, and then we can do the power supply and test it. Here's the mounting holes that I used to secure this to a block of wood back here, and as you can see, it doesn't really matter about my wires because they're all hidden in there anyways. Okay, there we go. I've got it all put together and my wires hidden. You can see the sensor is illuminated. So here's what happens. You're working away, you got your dust collector going, green light on indicating everything is fine, and then the dustbin fills up. Maybe you sent through a whole bunch of planer shavings, and there you go. It's all very simple, very easy to hook up. Power supply, green light, strobe light, and sensor. The work is all done by the sensor. That's the brains of the operation. It is really easy to do. Save yourself $100 or more by putting this together yourself, and enjoy using that in your shop. Thanks for watching.